Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you are watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for us all. So welcome to this segment which is called Cooking Made Simple, and welcome to another simple recipe. We were going to make this anyway, so I thought we would film it. What we are going to make is bread-based pizza. Okay, so making a dough is effort and doesn't always work. So we find that bread is very, very easy. So those are the ingredients. We've got some butter. So this is a good hint. So if you toast it and butter it, we think that enhances the flavor. We have tomatoes, shredded chicken. This has already got spices in it because it was part of the other meals that we've had. But if not, you can just boil it and add the spices that you like. We've got some onions cut up into rings. We've got some olives. We've got some cheese, and we've got a sauce here that we always like, which is hot pepper, but you can have a sauce of your choice. So the first thing that we're going to do is to butter the bread, please. So if we show you, that needs buttering, and then we're going to add some puree. Okay, going to put tomato puree on that, on each of your breads. So we've got 4 slices. So can we spread that a little bit? Okay, and we've got 4 of them, as I say. So as you can see, the bread has been buttered and it has got tomato puree on it. Can we add a layer of cheese on there, please? So you want a generous layer of cheese. Okay, we have a general, as much cheese as we wanted. Generous, I want to say. And now we're going to add our onions on there. Okay, the onions have been laid out. Can we put the chicken on now, please? And spread that out nice and thinly. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is to apply a thin layer of cheese so that it sticks. Okay, can we put the tomatoes on next then, please? So tomatoes all over. The tomatoes are on there now. Can we have another layer of cheese, please? So this is the final layer. Okay, we're ready for our final thing, which is olives. So we're not going to make it spicy because the grandchildren will be eating it. But if you like your pizza spicy, then of course you can, instead of olives, or as well as olives, you can have jalapenos. So there is our pizza, ready for either the grill. We're going to grill it because it's quicker, or oven. Okay, so that's going to go in for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we will revisit once there is progress. And there is our final product, viewers. It does look quite nice. And as always, I forgot something, and this time it was the pepper. There's already plenty of salt, or there was in the chicken. So there we have it, a bread-based pizza. So I do hope you've liked today's recipe. I do hope you will try it. Until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Goodbye. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
परे